Hello everyone. So let us have a look at this question. First, let me explain you that what we are trying to find in this question, and then we will do with reasoning how to do it. So in this question, they have given the circle, and then they are mainly asking angle AOC, okay, and then angle ABC. These are the two angles asked. First thing is, in order to get AOC, we will look at the triangle OAD. In triangle OAD, this angle angle OAD is 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, because of that we can get the third angle. Third angle will be angle AOD will be 180 minus 90 minus 36. That will be 90 minus 36, and this will be 54. So I got angle AOD as 54, which is half part of my answer. Then I have to look for another triangle ABC, and in that I will look at angle ABC. Okay, now if you observe this carefully, AOC is an angle subtended by an arc at the center. The same arc AC is subtending an angle ABC at the periphery. I hope you understood which theorem we are trying to use over here. So we can say that angle ABC is equal to half of angle AOC, and that is equal to half of 54, and that is 27. And the reason we will give angle at the center is double the angle at circumference. Okay, and we are done with this. This question was quite good, but yeah, it has a good application of circle theorems. I hope you are clear with it. If you understand this question, then please hit like button in the video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.